Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of completing the tax form 3916 regarding your foreign brokerage accounts like Interactive Brokers, Trade Republic, Zerodha, eToro, etc. These are the accounts held outside France. The various resources to help you complete your tax declaration are available in the description below. I have already made a detailed step-by-step tutorial for online income tax declaration and also offline income tax declaration. This includes people who are doing their first tax declaration in France. The links are available in the description below. Here are the various income tax declaration forms published by the French Tax Department every year. You can download them from the links available in this video's description below. In this video, I will be explaining about the 3916 annexure used for declaring your foreign accounts held outside France. So, let us explore the 3916 tax form. The Form 3916 is used for declaring your foreign accounts such as banks, brokerages, crypto exchanges, insurance policies, etc. In this video, we will be focusing on the declaration of your foreign brokerages accounts. I have already made another video on foreign bank accounts. The link is available in the description below. In the first page, we have the sections 1.1 and 1.2. In section 1.1, complete your basic details like name, date of birth, place of birth, and complete address on the 1st of January of this year. Section 1.2 is applicable if either you or someone in your tax household does a commercial activity. If yes, enter the relevant details as explained on the screen. On the second page, we have sections 2, 3 and 4. In section 2, check the box for bank account. This includes brokerage accounts too. In section 3.1, enter the brokerage account details like account number, type of account, date of opening or closing the account from last year, name and address of the brokerage as explained on the screen. You can find these details on the account statement documents downloaded from your brokerage accounts. So, if you had opened or closed an account this year, you can only declare during next year's tax declaration. In section 3.2, select if you are the actual account holder or if you are the beneficiary of a power of attorney to operate the account on behalf of the account holder. An example from my Interactive Brokers account. An example from my Trade Republic account. Then in section 4, you do not have to do anything. It is only applicable to crypto-related accounts. On the third page, we have sections 5, 6 and 7. In section 5, you must check the box related to the way in which the account is used. They are personal, professional, or a mix of both. If the account is for any professional purposes, you must add the various details of your company like its name, address, etc. Section 6 is only applicable if you had declared yourself as the power of attorney in section 1.1. If yes, complete the details of the actual account holder. Then in section 7, you do not have to do anything. It is only applicable to foreign insurance policies and similar accounts. Then on pages 5 to 7, you can find the official notes to help you complete the tax form 3916. A lot of the frequently asked questions are answered on my website prasantragopathy.com under the income tax category. You can also ask your questions in the comments below and I will try to reply as much as possible. A few examples of these FAQs from my website. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of completing tax form 3916 regarding your foreign brokerage accounts. Remember, it's important to submit it on time and accurately to avoid any issues and penalties with the French Tax Department. Thanks for watching and happy filing. Please subscribe and support the channel for amazing content about expat life in France and also other European countries. Have a great day.